Hi guys, back with another video. In this video I have come up with few courses and with certifications wherein you can complete the course and you can avail the certification as well. But before then I will please request you to please subscribe to my channel, like this content and share with your friends. If you support me, I can bring more such kind of videos to you. Also, if you have any kind of specific codes you want it right, you please mention in the comment section so that I can crack it for you. Let's jump into the video really quick. Please check the description below. The links to the courses will be available.